This is a classic Börek, a savory pastry loved across the Mediterranean and Middle East.
Simple ingredients come together to create rich flavor and texture.
You want the filling to be creamy, but just make sure it's not runny.
This simple mixture is the secret to keeping the Borek wonderfully moist and flaky.
The key is brushing on thin, even layers. That's what gives it the perfect crispness once it's baked. Make sure to spread it evenly so every bite is packed with flavor.
Pre-cutting helps the Borek bake evenly and makes serving easier.
As the tray sits in the heat, the pastry gradually turns this beautiful golden brown, becoming incredibly crispled. So go ahead and enjoy this warm, homemade Borek, perfect with a cup of tea or as a meal.